Well, this is not another part of the M37 project. Actually, what it is I bought more parts from our friends over at Rock Auto, and this one here was a gas filter. What I have in there now is just a standard one. It's not really the right one. And this one's the right one because it has, these are 1/4 inch inside diameter. And so it goes on there a lot easier than the other stuff. And the other stuff I think I had in there was a bigger fitting. It was like almost 3/8, I think it was. So really hard to get on. But so this should be easy, and they go ahead and they give you that. So they give you two hoses, and then they give you the clamps on top of that. So you have this and those. So not a bad deal, and it's pretty cheap, less than 10 bucks. So yeah, couldn't beat that. So I got that, and if you look at this fitting, that's what's kind of left of the hoses on this. This was coming from the fuel pump on the car, the original mechanical fuel pump, which still works. It pumps. In fact, it pumped too good because the line was so bad, it was leaking in the middle, and basically most of the gas was not getting to the carburetor. So it was kind of messed up. So what I have today, these are like compression fittings on the hose. Well, there's a workaround on that. So what I bought should be in here. I just got this now actually from Amazon. And what we have in here, besides this stuff, is 1/4 inch inside diameter fuel hose. I bought two 10-foot lengths. And then fittings I got. They're the type that you stick in one end in the hose, and then you have a fitting like that, a male side and a female side. So now they should go together, and so that's how I'm going to make the right hoses for this thing. And so now we know that the fuel pump still works good. We can go ahead and take off and do something on that, but there's a heat shield that had to get removed so the hose could get pulled off. And then on top of that, there's another, like a fiber shield underneath, is catching a bunch of junk, but it's also making it hard to get in there. So I still have to go into the car and get that off, or in the truck I should say. And but this should help with the fuel leakage problem. Put new hoses in there, and I got to replace the fuel line hose in a lot of places anyway. So I'll be doing that too. So just this little short update. Other than that, still got to finish the wiring. Probably have to run a new line for the headlights, since the dimmer switch doesn't really work. It's pretty much shorted out. So, or actually open, actually I should say, not shorted out, it's just plain open. So I don't get a connection there at all. So I'll pretty much have to go ahead and find another replacement dimmer switch, which is pretty much impossible. The new ones are like, you've got like 3 tabs on them coming out, but these only have like 2, so it's kind of weird. So anyway, I got to work on that, and So I just want to do a short one. And my buddy down here is making noise. All right. You want to get? Oh, okay. He had to say hi. So there's hi, my fuzzy little dog. And it's getting pretty hard to do anything in the garage because at night it got down to 12 degrees, and during the day we're about 5 degrees above freezing. We were like, the high for the day was 37. And it's supposed to be even lower tomorrow. So yeah, not making it real easy. I don't have a heated garage, so it's just as cold in there as it is outside. So pretty much I'll have to get my torpedo heater out and my propane one and have it blasting away out there while I'm working, which can be dangerous if I'm anywhere near gasoline. So that's the only bad part about that. So anyhow, that's going to be it for now. Talk to you guys later.